Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the Stocks to Play challenge where I'm hitting you with the hottest penny stocks daily. Today, I'm just going to be going over a quick ticker TRKA that's been trending, that caught my eye. I've actually been keeping an eye on this for quite a while, since maybe 13, 14 cents. But right now, it's been picking up some speed, so we're just going to dive on into it. So TRKA, the reason I'm talking about it right now is I just saw recently that it started trending on StockTwits, which is always a good sign to start to keep some eyes on it. We'll just look here on Friday, the 1 day chart. The range was 21.50 to 23.49. Um, looking, it was just consolidating, moving sideways, and then after hours, it shot up to 25.50, which is 15% from what it was trading at during the day, which is relatively, to be honest, a pretty good gain for the after hours. We're gonna keep an eye on this next week because there's a lot of attention coming in on this, and I'll explain why in a minute. Just looking at the 5 day, it went from 19 cents all the way up to 24, 25 cents, came back down, started moving right on 22 cents. That's the 5 day, looking like it's trending back up, and it did on the Friday there. Um, it went up early in the morning, came back down, and it's trending up overall. If you look at the 1 month chart, it's looking pretty good. The 6 month chart starting to curl a little bit here from the bottom. The year, it's good. It's a complete uptrend, trying to go back up to that target price that they have here at $1.50. We'll see if it ends up hitting that. It's really far from that at the moment, but with all the things going on with this company, it is possible. So I'm gonna just dive on into some of the reasons why this is picking up some steam and why it's picking up some attention. First thing that I'm just gonna go over is they have a they have like a little deal with the company called Blue Torch Capital, which is like a financy kind of company. It says market directed lender providing bespoke credit solutions to stakeholders and management teams of companies requiring capital support for growth, acquisitions, operational challenges, and financial distress. So TRKA is working with Blue Torch. That's how they're generating a little bit more revenue and getting bailed out of certain situations and overall growing the business. So the next thing, I made a little note here. We'll just dive into this quick. Where is it? Okay, so TRKA, hot potential play, now trending on StockTwits. That's why we're taking a look at it. Recent attention is caused by TRKA posted two new Form RW filings, which is just a formal request to withdraw registration that has previously been filed with the SEC. Long story short, they're withdrawing two separate S1 filings, which is offerings, like public offerings, dilution. Just, there's no other way to put it. It's dilution. So, which sucks for shareholders. They're withdrawing that. So they're saying we might have enough money to keep these things running without having to dilute, which is a very good sign for investors. And that's why it's picking up so much steam right now, to be honest. Shorts have anticipated that this was going to close. So we'll see what's going to happen there with them. The short interest did go up. Some sites are saying 50%. Some are saying 30%. Another one was saying 22%. So we're gonna just take the average and say there's about 26% short interest there, and the cost to borrow is 174%. No more dilution for now, which is bringing the eyes to this ticker. This is huge, guys. There was been in the past couple other tickers that withdrew their filings for dilution. They ran significantly, like significantly. Not saying that could happen here with TRKA, but it definitely has potential. Operating income increased to 323%. Revenue increases 1,300% in 1 quarter. That's not annual, that's in 1 quarter. Net income increased by 159%. They're now profitable. They're projected to make 450 million revenue for the full year of 2023. Sounding good, looking good. Blue Torch also freed up 50 million in cash for TRK to use. Also gave management salary incentives to grow the business now that dilution is out of the way. All the revenue that's been coming into the company, it's because their most recent acquisition they acquired, Coverage, which is another company there. They did 294 million in revenue in 2021. We're partners with companies like ADT, AT&T, Petsco, Wayfair, YouTube, and many more. partners. The next catalyst we're waiting for TRKA that we're expecting would be their earnings report. Based on their last earnings, we think that they're going to be doing very well again, especially seeing how they've been working with Coverage there, and Coverage has a lot of partners in the space as well. If we go over to Coverage's site here, these are all their partners. There's some big name partners, man. ADT, AT&T, DirecTV, Global Life, Keurig, LifeLock, Petco, Wayfair. I just used them the other day. But yeah, they got a lot going on here. We're gonna be keeping an eye on ticker TRKA for next week. I definitely think if the volume could keep up here, this will keep on moving. Just the fact that they're not diluting anymore at all is huge, man. Like, that's gonna bring a lot of players into the game. So we're gonna see how it plays out next week. Remember, Monday's a holiday. We won't be trading, but we'll definitely be running some scans and searching. Keep in mind, we have a paid WhatsApp group. If you would like to get in before the wave, just drop your email in the comments section